Good day, everyone. Welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about finding the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence, or so to find the sum of the first n term of our arithmetic series, we use the formula x sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity x sub 1 plus x sub n. Or we can use the alternative formula, which is replacing x sub n with the formula of arithmetic sequence. So this will be the second formula. X sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity 2 times x sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So let's define each letter so that we will not get confused. X sub 1 is our first term, x sub n is our last term of the series, n is the number of terms to be added, and d is our common difference. S sub n is our sum of the series. Now, let's have some examples in getting the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series. Alright, okay, let's have our first example for today. Find the sum of the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, and 21. So, to solve this, we need to look for the following given. So, first term, the fifth term, and the number of terms that we need to add. So, let's identify them one by one. So, in this case, we have our first term, which is 5. So, x sub 1 is equal to 5. Now, our fifth term is also given, which is 21. So, our fifth term is equal to 21. And the number of terms to be added is, we're looking for the first 5 terms. So, 5 terms. So, n is equal to 5. Now, with this 3 given, we can use the formula x sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity x sub 1 plus x sub n. Okay? Let's substitute all the values of x sub 1, x sub 5, and n. And since we're looking for the sum of the first 5 terms, we are going to have x sub 5 is equal to 5 over 2 times the quantity 5 plus 21. Now, let's simplify this using the order of operation. So, 5 plus 21, that will give us 26. And we can apply simplifying fraction. So, we can cancel out 26 and 2. Simplifying them, it will give us 13. So, 26 divided by 2, it is 13. 5 times 13, that will give us 65. And the sum of the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 65. Alright, let's have another example. So, find the sum of the first 24 terms of the arithmetic sequence 6, 14, 22, and 30. Okay, so we're looking for the sum of the first 24 terms of the arithmetic sequence. Now, to get that, let's identify our given. So, our first term is 6, and since the 24th term is not listed in our arithmetic sequence, we will use the alternative formula. So, how many terms are we going to add? We're going to add 24 terms. And let's identify the common difference. Okay, so our common difference is 14, the second term, minus the first term, which is going to be 8. So that is our common difference. So we will use the second formula for the sum of the arithmetic series, which is s sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity 2 times x sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay? So that is our formula, the second formula, if the last term is not given in the sequence. So we will only use this if and only if the n term is not given. Okay? So let's substitute all our given. So, s sub 24 is equal to 24 over 2 times the quantity 2 times 6 plus 24 minus 1 times 8. Now, let's simplify using the order of operation. We can start simplifying the fraction. So, 24 divided by 2, that will give us 12. 2 times 6, that will give us 12. And 24 minus 1, that will give us 23. Then, so 23 times 8, that will give us 184. Then, let's add 12 times 184. That is equal to 196. And 12 times 196, it will give us 2,352. So, the sum of our first 24 terms in that arithmetic sequence will be 2,352. Alright, and that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, please go to my channel, Teacher Justin. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.